Okay, so I've got the words Luv Bug. I'm going to go with L-U-V instead of L-O-V-E. And I'm going to put them right up here on the front. So just L. So this is just a little cutter set that I had here. Make sure it doesn't look like two U's. And then the B. Okay, and get my G on here, and then we can throw some hearts around it. Okay, heart cutters here. I've got some different sizes. Go with this smaller one here, a few of these. So I just basically want to put some hearts around it. Anywhere like right here, I have a little thing that I had wanted to get rid of, little mark. So I'll put one like that, one off to the side like this. Maybe go the next size up. And these are almost a little big. I want to go with a little bit smaller one. So I have a clay set of plunger cutters that go even smaller. So I want this one right here. Cut it, pop it out. Makes a cute little heart. Now if you don't have these, you can also just pipe with buttercream the little hearts. Okay, then we could do a few on top. Okay, so I think that's about the last one. So I have them on front here, and just kind of a few scattered there, one over here in the back, and then just the one on the side there. Still watching these tires over here. Kind of sink down a little again. Wait till the next day to put them on. Yep. Okay. The last thing I want to do on this is just, you could just leave it like this. I just thought it'd be cute if I did some little antennas. I'm not going to do, a lot of times I'll do a face on things, and this would be super cute with a face on, but this time I'm not going to. So antennas, we can just pop some like right in here, because it's the Luv Bug. And then we'll just take a little bit of this red and just roll it into a ball and put them at the end of the antennas. Put a little water there. So obviously you could do a lot more detail on this cake. You could change it in something else. Different colors, what have you. And there she is, the Luv Bug. Again, the only tip I'd say was do those tires and have them, you know, let them dry. You need to shape them and everything. And even go ahead and put some Tylose powder in them, which is the Tylose powder. This is Tylose right here. Ingredient for gum paste. Just sprinkle it into your black fondant before you do the tires. You have to kind of make sure that they're going to fit and then leave them off to the side until the next morning. And then you can go ahead and pop those on. But you could get everything else done. It's just, see, they're just sinking just a little bit, and I don't like that, so that little wrinkle there. But other than that, there's the cute little Luv Bug. You could always dress up the board if you wanted to, put some maybe trim around it, maybe some red hearts down on the board. But I think I like it the way it is.